welcome to another episode of Cooking with Ceylon Lover, where I'll be making the most delicious and satiating meals, all with Sri Lankan spice. Now stick around, subscribe, hit that notification bell so you won't miss another episode of delicious Sri Lankan food. So today I'm going to be making something really simple, really easy, and you can whip it up in no time. And I'm going to be showing you chili garlic prawns. Oh my gosh. Now this is a bit of a naughty dish. There's a lot of butter, a bit of olive oil, chili, and obviously beautiful prawns. They are from South Asia, aren't those beauties? And of course, my favorite spice line, which is by Indosri and Fudco. I'm going to be using their turmeric and their crushed chili. So first, let's do this easy, super simple marinade. I'm going to put a little bit of salt on the prawns. The best turmeric that I always use by Fudco, Universal Suppliers, sent me this amazing turmeric and I absolutely love it. I'm going to cover these beautiful prawns in chili pieces. A little bit of soy sauce. It just amplifies that seafood taste, if you ask me. So we're just going to lightly toss that. And this is something that you can eyeball at home. You don't really need a set recipe for this. It's so easy. You can't mess it up. Because in my opinion, the more butter you use, the tastier it is. And the more garlic you use, the better it is. So how can you really go wrong? So first thing I'm going to be putting in there is some sweetened butter. That really adds a nice balance to the prawns, having that extra sweetness. And then I break in a few curry leaves. Brand new olive oil. Olive oil. A good dose of olive oil. Give that a mix. You want sort of all this liquid because that's going to be your dipping sauce. Oh, bread, crusty bread. Crusty? Crunchy? I think it's crusty. There goes the garlic. Now at this point, actually I can look at that and see that it needs a bit more chili. I'm going to add in my delicious Indosri hot chili, the only one I use. Nice dousing of that. Now don't be afraid because like I said, that's going to be part of that delicious dipping sauce. So this is going to cook about, I would say 5 to 6 minutes, and then we're going to remove it off of the heat. You don't want this to overcook. Prawns cook very fast. You know what? That's ready. I'm going to turn off the heat. Give it a nice little shake. So I let that simmer down. I'm going to add in a little bit more olive oil to finish. You want to have all that yummy, delicious liquid at the bottom. Oh, and I have some bread here. So let's plate this up. Oh my God. So my favorite part is just take a slice of bread and dip it into that delicious sauce. Oh wow, look at that. Oh my goodness. I can't believe something so simple is that delicious. Let's try prawn.
I think I'm all set for my dinner. Catch me here next time on Cooking with Ceylon Lover. You have to try this recipe, trust me.